Understanding paraphrasing with some quick example. So guys, most of the time you will see जब आप अपना reading module attempt कर रहे होते हैं, in that there are certain sentences which are given in the context or in the paragraph or in the passage, and अगर आप उसे questions को देखेंगे तो you will always be finding कि जो question का statement है, sentence है, forming है, that is entirely different from the text. So what is the main important element? Again I will take you to the paraphrasing, क्योंकि होता क्या है कि जो questions आपको दिए होते हैं, चाहे वो कोई भी type of question हो, आपको जो questions दिए होते हैं that is going to be very importantly understood or given in the form of paraphrasing. So paraphrasing is something which is a must for you to understand. So कुछ examples मैं आपके साथ share करने जा रही हूँ कि वो text में किस तरीके से आ सकते हैं, पैसेज में किस तरीके से आ सकते हैं और किस तरीके से वो आपको इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे. सो यू विल बी फाइंडिंग द सेंटेंसेस entirely different, but lately when you will realize that the piece of information remains constant. So the first is to organize public event, right? Suppose this is the sentence which is used in the passage, you would find that the question is given with to coordinate communal activity. So अगर आप देखेंगे इसमें कोई भी रिलेशन नहीं है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द वोकैबुलरी. वोकैबुलरी कोई भी कॉमन नहीं है, बट टेक्निकली अगर आप चेक करेंगे ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ the context information or on the basis of the passage it is given or referring to the question, you will find that both the informations are identical and giving you the same information. Second, inadequate diet. Inadequate means scarcity or limitless, right? So inadequate का मतलब ही होता है when something is not complete. Inadequate diet, that means the deficiencies in minerals or deficiency in nutrition. Yeah. So यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि inadequate diet can be used in the passage and deficiencies in mineral could be used in the question or vice versa. Same about 1900s. When they are saying that about 1900s, that means they are talking about the year, they are talking about the time. Now in the other form or maybe in the question or in the passage, you can find that this particular two words are elaborated in a different form by saying the early years of 20th century. So हालांकि ये दोनों सुनने में बोलने में they are identically different, they are completely different, but if you will understand that with the meaning, you will find that all these three statements written here in the green color are giving identical meaning or information to the statements written in the red one. So importantly, to understand paraphrasing well.